What if I told you that some of the exercise advice you've been hearing for years might actually be slowing you down, especially after age 60? I recently came across new research that completely changed how I look at fitness for older adults. A large study followed thousands of seniors for 5 years and found something remarkable. People who replaced regular walking with just 5 specific exercises, the ones I'm about to show you, became significantly stronger, had fewer falls, and improved nearly every important health marker. And here's the shocking part: they exercised less time than the walking group, yet got better results. Blood pressure dropped more, joint pain decreased dramatically, and even bone density improved instead of declining. But the thing that really grabbed my attention is this. The number one exercise on this list is so simple that almost anyone can do it right away, no equipment, no experience needed. And research found it activates pathways in your body that help your cells behave more youthfully. Once you understand how this works, you'll never think about exercise the same way again. This truly can be the difference between walking confidently at 80 or needing a cane at 70. Before we start, drop a comment with your age and where you're watching from. We read every single one. Now let's get into how you can future-proof your body and move like you did in your 40s. Number 5. Wall push UPS with a hold. These may look simple, but don't let that fool you. Studies show adults over 60 who do wall push-ups with a pause gain far more upper body strength than those doing standard movements. Why it matters? After 60, we naturally lose muscle each year, especially in the upper body. That loss affects everyday tasks like lifting groceries, opening jars, or catching yourself if you trip. Here's how to do it. Stand an arm's length away from a wall. Hands at shoulder height and width. Slowly lean in until your nose is close to the wall. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Push back slowly. Take 2 seconds in, hold, then 2 seconds out. This slow time under tension builds muscle much more effectively than fast reps. Start with 5 reps and work up to 15. To make it easier, stand closer. To make it harder, step back. These also improve reaction time, which is critical for preventing falls. Number 4. Seated leg lifts with resistance. People assume exercises done while sitting are easy, but this one is powerful. Why it's important? Walking speed and stair climbing ability are 2 of the best predictors of long-term health. This exercise strengthens the exact muscles you need for both. How to do it? Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Lift one leg straight out until it's as high as comfortable. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower slowly without letting your foot rest on the floor. Do 10 to 15 reps per leg. Over time, add light ankle weights or a resistance band. Working one leg at a time helps correct muscle imbalances that naturally happen with age. Number 3. Standing heel raises with a balance challenge. This one targets your calves and ankles, areas most people ignore. But strong calves reduce your risk of falls and improve circulation throughout your body. How to do it? Stand behind a chair for light support. Rise up onto your toes as high as possible. Pause for 3 seconds at the top while looking straight ahead. Slowly lower for 3 seconds. Start with 10 reps, work up to 25. Eventually try it on one leg for a deeper challenge. This exercise strengthens the muscle pump in your lower legs, helping move blood back toward the heart and improving balance and brain function. Number 2. Modified squats to a chair. Don't worry, when done correctly, this version is actually knee-friendly. It trains some of the most important muscles for independent living. Why it matters? The ability to sit down and stand up without assistance is directly linked to long-term independence and mobility. How to do it? Stand in front of a chair with your feet hip-width apart. Push your hips back first, like closing a car door with your backside. Lower for 3 seconds until you lightly touch the chair. Don't sit, just tap the chair. Stand up in 2 seconds, pressing through your heels. Start with 5 to 8 reps and work toward 15 to 20. As you improve, switch to a lower surface to increase the challenge. Number 1. Bird Dog Hold Progressions. This is the exercise researchers are most excited about, and for good reason. It improves core stability, balance, brain function, back health, bone strength. It trains your body to coordinate opposite sides, which activates brain pathways that support memory, movement control, and cognitive health. How to do it? Start on hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Keep your spine neutral. Hold for 5 seconds, then switch sides. Progression plan. Weeks 1 to 2, 5-second holds. Weeks 3, 4, 10-second holds. Weeks 5 to 6, add small pulses. Weeks 7 to 8, try holding with eyes closed for extra balance training. A helpful tip. Imagine reaching your hand forward and pushing your foot backward to lengthen your body. This activates more muscles and boosts strength gains. This move is incredibly effective for improving stability, protecting the spine, and even supporting brain health. Why these 5 exercises outperform walking? Walking is great, but it doesn't challenge the body enough to prevent age-related decline. These exercises improve heavy checkmark strength, heavy checkmark balance, heavy checkmark coordination, heavy checkmark bone density, heavy checkmark cognitive function. You only need 20 to 25 minutes, 3 to 4 times per week, less than half the time many people spend walking. Start small, be consistent, and you'll be amazed at the progress you make within weeks. What daily activity has become harder for you after 60? And how many minutes do you currently exercise each week? Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.